Welcome to the M-Site Sapphire Series Centrifuge setup video. In this tutorial, you will learn how to prepare your Sapphire machine for operation. Inside the box, you'll find 4 buckets, a power nut, power washer, power key, the centrifuge rotor, and a power cord. Start by placing the machine on a flat, stable surface. Next, connect the power cord to the back of the machine and plug it into a power outlet. Flip the power switch to activate the display. Press the open button to open the lid. Place the rotor onto the rotor stem. Ensuring the numbers on the rotor are visible. Slide the power washer onto the rotor stem, aligning the washer slot with the groove on the stem. Secure the power nut onto the rotor stem and tighten it using the power key. Finally, insert the buckets into the bucket rings. In case of an emergency, ensure the centrifuge is turned off and unplugged. Locate the release slot at the base of the machine. Insert the power key into the slot at the base of the device to unlock the centrifuge lid, as demonstrated. Your Sapphire centrifuge machine is now ready for use. For further assistance, please contact customer service at 239-481-7725.